Hello all, today I'm going to demonstrate how to pair the Mi 720p 360 degree security camera to your phone. So first we have to install Mi Home app from the Play Store. So this is the app. Okay. In the meanwhile, let me reset the camera. So this is the reset button. You have to press and hold the button, and you have to press and hold it until you hear the next voice second time. So okay, now the camera is reset. We'll wait for it to calibrate, and in the meanwhile I'm opening the app. So let me hit agree. Okay, I'll select India, open. Okay, I'll sign into okay, it's already signed in. Okay, now if you see the camera, it's calibrating, and for it to be ready to pair, the yellow light on the camera should be blinking, just like that. Okay, and next you have to press this plus icon, and the camera would be detected in the phone. So select the camera. Okay, we already reset the camera, so I'll just hit, like I heard the voice, and hit next. It will ask for your Wi-Fi. Let me enter the Wi-Fi password, just a minute. Okay, I have entered the password. I'll hit next. Okay, this is the tricky part. We have to scan the QR code. Sometimes it will take like 1 to 2 minutes to detect the QR code. So let's try. So you just have to put the phone in front of the camera. If it's not detected, give it some time and like slightly adjust until you hear the voice. Okay, so if you see, the light will turn blue, which means the QR is code is scanned. So I'll go ahead and hit I heard the voice, and that's it. It's done. I'll just have to hit done and use now. So hit agree. That's it. You can see the camera like so. That's it. Thank you, and if you have any questions, please comment below. I'll answer them.